Ayan. In behalf po sa lahat ng mga contact, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Click Entertainment, RM Music and Productions. Isa na lang pong gawing pagtitipon to appreciate the love for music. So salamat po sa mga nagpunta from Edmonton, Calgary, and of course, sa iba't ibang bahagi po ng Alberta, especially po from the people of Red Deer. Para po sa inyo lahat. Don't go changing, try and please me. You never let me down before. Don't mention it's too familiar. I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of troubles. Never could this far. I take the good times, I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. Don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. You always said so compassion, although I might not seem to care. I don't want another conversation. I never want to work at all. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. That I can talk to